Love me right back. Hey, if it's okay, if it's alright, I'll stay. If it's okay, if you don't mind, 'cause you've been looking lonely and I only wanna help, 'cause I begin to worry and it's not good for my health. Last time.
So in order to start the new year, gotta drink some wine. So shall we celebrate all the days of our lives. Amen. Hi guys, what's up? This is 2nd of January 2021. So guys, we are going out. That's my sister over there. So we're going out today. Finally, we're going to my village, which I haven't been to in months, and I don't know if I'm that excited to go to Musa, to be honest. Go to my village. I'm not sure if I'm excited. Say hi, sis.
Hi. Subscribe to our channel.
You heard her. You heard her. So guys, I'll be taking you guys along with me. Nothing much is happening in my village. I just want to go see an auntie of the family. So
Say hi to our parents.
yeah, so I'll take you guys along with me.
I've been wanting something from you. You been giving nothing. Oh, I've been wanting something from you. You been giving nothing. Oh.
This is the OWERRE EZUKALA cave and waterfall. So it's at Inyafo, OWERRE EZUKALA, Orumba South local government in Anambra state. So they say you have to pay before you enter. They said it's around 10,000 or 5,000, which we didn't know about till we got here. So we're going down now. Let me show you guys. This is what it looks like. Wow, this is a whole lot of work. Thankfully, I came with a slippers because we're going somewhere else.
What's wrong and why you never said you felt that way? And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
Like nothing I felt, my mind overwhelms. I think that I'm broken, but I hope you can't help. I know I'm not perfect, but some days I feel far more worthless. Baby, you make me feel nervous. If I still have you, I have purpose. It's all worth it.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. What's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
I've been wanting something from you. You've been giving nothing. Oh, I've been wanting something from you. You've been giving nothing. Oh.
Okay. Good kind of. Or the save now.
I think somewhere not the moment they are.
You not touch na cake, chichi.
I thought it
Can you find it exciting now? No need me now. I can one million on him ever.
So when we done, bend down, bend down.
No home man no nam. Like bats and the other. Okay. Who's one can call a colleague? Why I can say so.
This one is spanner.
Spanner. Okay.
And this one.
Why they call us spanner?
Spanner. That's what they use.
I know spanner.
Yeah, spanner. This one are gone.
Okay.
Yeah. This one gone. This one spanner. Okay. My God, do it.
Abi.
So
This like one. Is there still
Nothing there inside there. Nothing there inside. So. I think you'll feel clamp here.
I know.
Now you'll see the leg of no. Cow. Yeah, leg of cow. The other side.
What's in the car they do there?
No, the leg of cow.
Okay.
The other side, na toilet. Toilet.
Wow. Wow.
The other side, now that ground. But no, they can go that side. That side, on that ground. No, this side.
Wow.
Yeah, no, that's ground.
Wow. Oh, another road there for that side. We Pacific about. I dey see am.
Yeah.
Man. Wow. Wow. Eziokwu. Achọrọ m ịjụ kene a na-aṅụ mmiri aṅụ na ọ naghị eri mmadụ.
the water is very deep, but it doesn't look like it's that deep. Are you serious?
Yes, hey, Jake Martin. Time of money. Okay, no matter the problem, never let them weigh you down. Hey, if you believe that sugar, come on, food is sweet, but God to see pass. Hey, that's the I see, like the Lord is so good.
Hey loves, how are you guys doing? Happy New Year once again. So I was editing this video and I discovered I didn't say much about my experience. So getting there, it was a very beautiful place. I wouldn't even lie, it was really beautiful. But one of the problems I had was I did not dress for the right place because I was going somewhere else. So we changed our minds. Then we stopped by at this cave. I was wearing a full face of makeup, jumpsuit, but thank God I had my slippers in the car, so I changed to that. It was not the right outfit for a place like that. You need things like sneakers. For car, you need a car that is high enough, like to withstand the bad roads, because roads in Nigeria are not to be joked with. So we went with a low car, and that was a lot of work for us. At some point we had to get down from the car, but overall it was a fun experience. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to like this video if you did. Please like and also share, guys. Please share, and also leave me comments. Do you think this is a place you would be able to go through, considering the fact that it's a little bit scary? I wouldn't even lie. At some point I thought I was seeing something. I thought I was seeing some things. Let me know if you've ever been to a place like this. And yeah guys, I'll see you all in my next one. Bye guys, love you.
Is it me, or is